everything that you see out there, from your Jupiter to your Neptune to your Pluto, and then to your galaxies, which contain millions and millions and millions of stars, and then there are millions and millions and millions of galaxies out there. Everything that you see when you raise your head and above, and the scientists have not even got to the end. They haven't even found the beginning of the first heaven, where the heaven actually is. That's just within the first heaven. Everything out there is within the first heaven. You have 7 heavens. The distance between the first heaven and the second heaven is 500 years. Now, at what speed only Allah Himself knows. 500 years it will take from the first heaven to the second heaven. Then from the second heaven to the third heaven. The third heaven to the fourth heaven. Fourth heaven to the fifth heaven. The fifth heaven to the sixth heaven. The sixth heaven to the seventh heaven. And Allah is the Lord of the 7 heavens. After the 7 heavens, you have the kursi of Allah. Allahu la ilaha illa wal hayyul qayyum. La ta'khudhu sinatun wa la nawm. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. Man dhal ladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi idhnihi. Ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum. Wa la yuhituna bi shay'in min ilmi illa bima sha'a. Wasi'a kursiyyuhu as-samawati wal ard. Allah talks about the kursi on the first page of the 3rd juz. The 7 heavens in comparison to the kursi are like a ring in a desert. Take a ring, place it in the Sahara desert. I ask you, my young friend, what is the significance of that one ring in comparison to the world's biggest desert? You'll say to me, there is no comparison. One little ring in comparison to the Sahara desert, there is no comparison. These 7 heavens that I've just described before you, my young friends, in comparison to the kursi of Allah, the 7 heavens are the ring, and the kursi of Allah is the desert.